In recent years, the topic of reproductive rights has sparked heated debates and passionate discussions worldwide. One of the most controversial figures in this ongoing discourse is former President Donald Trump. Trump's statements regarding his pride in overturning Roe v. Wade, his call for punishment for women, and his description of the Dobbs decision as a miracle have drawn significant attention and garnered both support and criticism. In this video, we will delve into these remarks, analyze their implications, and discuss the impact they have on American women. 1. Trump's pride in overturning Roe v. Wade. During his presidency, Donald Trump made it clear that he aimed to reshape the United States Supreme Court by appointing conservative justices. His goal was to overturn the landmark 1973 Roe v. Wade decision, which established a woman's constitutional right to abortion. Trump's pride in this endeavor stems from his belief that it aligns with his pro-life stance and the support he received from conservative constituents who share his views. 2. Calls for punishment for women. One of the most shocking statements made by Trump was his suggestion that there should be punishment for women who undergo abortions if Roe v. Wade were to be overturned. This remark, made during a 2016 interview, drew immediate backlash from both pro-choice advocates and even some anti-abortion. 3. The Dobbs decision, a miracle or a nightmare. In December 2021, the Supreme Court took up a case called Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, which could potentially lead to the further restriction or overturning of Roe v. Wade. In a rally addressing the decision, Trump referred to it as a miracle in the eyes of anti-abortion activists. However, for many American women, the possibility of losing access to safe and legal abortion services is a nightmare. The removal of this fundamental right would have far-reaching consequences on women's autonomy, health, and socioeconomic well-being. 4. The impact on American women. If Roe v. Wade were to be overturned, it would have profound implications for American women. Access to safe and legal abortion has been a crucial aspect of women's reproductive health care for decades. Removing this option would disproportionately affect marginalized communities, low-income individuals, and those facing medical complications. It could lead to an increase in unsafe and illegal abortions, risking women's lives and well-being. Moreover, the erosion of reproductive rights could set a precedent for further restrictions on women's access to contraception and overall reproductive health care. The statements made by former President Donald Trump regarding his pride in overturning Roe v. Wade, his call for punishment for women, and his description of the Dobbs decision as a miracle have sparked intense debate and raised concerns about the future of reproductive rights in the United States. It is crucial to recognize the potential consequences of these remarks, as they have the potential to impact the lives of countless American women. The battle between pro-choice and pro-life advocates continues, and the outcome will shape the landscape of women's rights for years to come.